Okay, so my dear student, you can see here the bulb is ready to give you the light. Yes, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so it is about the unit 4, which we have to discuss now. So we'll be starting the unit 3 we have completed. We have come done with the test also. Class test has been completed. You have taken the class test. Now we will be continuing with the business services. That is your fourth unit. So let us first understand and see that what what is the content which we have to study in it. So the content is the business services, the meaning, its types, and then those types includes banking. This we have to discuss. Then banking services with particular reference of bank draft, bank overdraft, etc. Then insurance. And then this is very important. The postal services also we need to talk about. So basically, these are the things which we have to discuss here. Correct? The services include warehousing, transportation, communication. So from the communication, only postal services we are discussing. Okay? Because this much
Yes,
is in
sir.
the syllabus. Okay. So now let us understand that there are some questions in front of you. So I want you all to please respond me in chat. You must have seen the petrol pump. Tell me yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So how a petrol pump owner does his business in a village? How he get there the petrol? How he is doing business? I'm saying that in a village. So the second question is how he gets the petrol and diesel to the villages in the that much interior. Then next question is how he gets the money to purchase large quantities of petrol and diesel. Then I'm asking how he communicates to petrol depot for requirement and also to customers. And then the last I'm asking you how he safeguard himself from various risks associated with this business. So any one of you want to answer any of these questions, you are free. Please. You have two options. You may reply it in chat or you can unmute and speak. Start.
So the owner gets its money from loan to
Okay.
purchase large quantities of
Who
petrol
is
and diesel.
giving loan? Who provides loan?
So the bank.
Very good. So please note down bank. Okay. Second, next question you can answer.
He safeguards himself by an insurance.
Very true. Very true. So another word which we are getting here is insurance. One we got bank, second is insurance. Very good. Yes, please answer.
Sorry, communicate typical depots for requirement by telecommunication.
Yes, very true. Maybe he's using mobile phone, maybe he's using landline. So all those means of communication, whatever he can use will be considered as communication. True?
Yes.
Very good. Next. Please, all of you speak. Those who have not spoken, please answer any of the question.
So he gets petrol and diesel to the villages by transportation.
Very correct. Very correct. So one more services word which we got from this question is transportation. Isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So almost all questions you have answered.
The first one
Yes,
not.
sir.
Okay. Now let us see this. Can someone read it for me?
The answer to all the above questions lies in the understanding of business services. First,
Hmm.
the transportation of petrol and diesel from oil refineries to petrol pumps is carried out by trains and tankers transport services. They are then sorted at various depots
So
of oil.
here transport services already we have talked about. Yes, continue.
They are then stored at various depots of oil companies situated in all major towns across India.
So
Warehousing
which
services.
services is being talked here?
Warehousing.
Very true. Very true. Now someone else, please. Another student. You read this here.
Petrol pump owners use postal mail telephone facilities to be in touch with customers, banks, and the depots for the availability of their requirements on regular basis.
So,
Communication services.
wow, great. So it is all communication services. Now
Yes.
another student. Read this.
As oil companies always sell the petrol and diesel on advance payment, the owners have to take loans and advances from banks to fund their purchases, banking services.
Correct. So it is done by banking services. Next. Yes, read this.
Petrol and diesel being highly risky products, the owners have to safeguard themselves from various risks by getting business, the product, the life of people working there, etc.
Hmm.
Insurance services.
Your voice is very low. Can you just be little louder? So it is all about
Insurance.
this insurance. So what we could see after all these things, that a single business of providing petrol and diesel at a petrol pump is actually a collective outcome of various business services, isn't it? It is not just one business, but there are many business services which are involved into it. True? You agree with me?
Yes, sir.
And these services are being utilized in the entire process of shipment of petrol and diesel from oil refineries to the point of sale of petrol pump. And these are spread across the length and breadth of India. Whole India is being covered with this. ना थोड़ी थोड़ी दूर पे जहां जाओ वहीं पे पेट्रोल पंप तुम्हें मिल जाता है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
So we have to understand the difference of these two things. One is purchasing and eating. जैसे आप बंगाल स्वीट हाउस में गए वहां से समोसा खरीद के ले आए तो ये परचेजिंग है ना?
Yes, sir.
लेकिन अगर आप किसी रेस्टोरेंट में गए वहां पे आपने ऑर्डर किया और वहीं बैठ करके आपने समोसा खाया, जैसे ये आदमी कर रहा है, रेस्टोरेंट में बैठ के खा रहा है, तो इट इज ईटिंग. तो दोनों में डिफरेंस है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
टीवी खरीद के ले आना टीवी का परचेजिंग है, बट टीवी पे अलग अलग चैनल्स पे जो आ रहा है उसको देखना वो एक डिफरेंट बात है, वॉचिंग है वो.
Yes, sir.
इसी तरह से कोई भी सामान को खरीद लेना या किसी सामान को किराए पे दे देना, लीज पे दे देना, ये दोनों अलग अलग बात है. यू एग्री विद मी?
Yes, sir.
लेकिन इन सभी अलग अलग बात में एक चीज है, वो है कॉमन. क्या?
Goods and services.
Purchasing.
परचेजिंग इज कॉमन. इन सब में परचेजिंग हो रहा है. तो आपको हम क्या समझाना चाह रहे हैं? इफ यू डिवाइड दिस इनटू टू पार्ट, this side you will see that it is all related to goods or the product, isn't it? And this is what? Services. So we would be next day talking about the difference of goods and services. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jain sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Jain sir.